Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to create text links in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Let's get right to it. First, open your Squarespace site and click Edit on the page where your text lives. Because Fluid Engine uses standard text blocks, simply double-click into any text block on your grid and highlight the exact words you want to make clickable. Next, look at the formatting toolbar that pops up right above your text. Click the link icon, which looks like a little chain. A quick menu will appear where you can simply paste any external URL. Just hit the Enter key or click Apply to make the link active immediately. If you need more advanced options, instead of just pasting a link, click the gear icon in that same pop-up to open the full link editor. This is where you can search for other pages already on your website, attach a downloadable file, or set up an email or phone number link. You can also toggle the switch to force the link to open in a new tab, which is highly recommended for external websites so visitors don't lose your page. Finally, click Save in the top left corner of your screen to publish your changes. Your text will now be underlined and fully clickable. And that's it. Your text links are officially live. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.